मके देवे तेणे वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे.
Now he says that all of you who are one in your spirit. This is all description of Sahaja today. Is the future, the present that you will get it at this time what is going to happen. So beautifully shown, you will be surprised that you are all will become one in the universe. The spirit of the universe will be satisfied with the yajnas they are going to do, with these fire ceremonies you are going to do. How it is appropriate, he said it 300 years back.
तोषोनि मदजावे पसाय धामहे.
And then you should give us the milk of your blessings by getting the complete satisfaction from us.
जेखांची व्यंकटी सांडो.
At times, all the horrible, evil people will be ruined and their plans will be spoiled.
तया सत्कर्मी रति वालो.
And people will take to righteousness. This is the description, is so good.
भूता परस्परे परो. भूता परस्परे जडो. मैत्र जीवांते.
At that time, there will be a tremendous friendship of the spirit among people.
दुरितांते तिमिरा जावो.
Those who are in ignorance will get light.
विश्वस्वधर्म सूये पाहो.
The whole universe will see the light, the sun of one universal religion.
जो देवांशील तोते लाहो.
Whatever you will desire, whatever they will desire, they will get it.
प्राणी जात.
All the human beings.
वर्षत सकल भुवन मंडळी. वर्ष सकल भुवन मंडळी. ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी. अनवरत भूतळी भेटतू होता.
When you will meet us, there will be a shower of blessings and of course of Chaitanya. When you will meet us, that's it.
चला कल्परूंचे आरव.
Jaya Kalparuchi Arava.
Moving कल्परूंचे.
This is the description of Sahaja. You must listen to this. That there will be the forest, like forest, means in many thousands, like moving forests of huge trees of giving blessings. Trees that give blessings and can give. Kalpataru is the tree that gives you whatever you want. They will be there. Like the moving forest. Means all of you are like that. Great. That you will be like the great trees like these. These are great trees which are moving, but which are bestowing blessings upon others, giving them what they want. Kalpataru.
बोलते जे अर्णव पीयूषांते.
Arnava.
सागर. सागर अमृताचे सागर.
They will be, now you people, they will be the ocean of talking, oceans of talking or bubbling Amruta. Amruta is the nectar of life. You will be the oceans of the bubbling nectar which are talking, like this ocean here. See the trees and the ocean. The ocean that talks of in a way that it just emits nectar, the nectar of bliss. That's you people.
Chandramese alanchana.
They will be like the moon without any spots on it. Immaculate moon, which has no spots, no color.
Blemish.
No blemishes, without any blemishes.
Matandade tapahina.
Like the sun which have got the sun which is without any heat in it. That is you.
Te sada sajjana soyare hotu.
All such people who will be righteous, who will stand for the right, for the truth, are going to be related to each other. Going to be related in the whole world. Now, with this beginning, we understand that the great saints of Maharashtra, that time, the greatest was Ganeshwar, because he saw the future that's going to come. And he told people about you, that the men of God will become prophets and they will have powers to make others prophets. Now we do not realize what are we when we become surgeons. We become so much still, worried about things which have no value. If you see, in the ultimate, all these things have no value, these are so temporary. And if you go on wasting your energy about things that have no spiritual value, that doesn't matter, you are going to waste your life, because now you are that, what is described, the oceans which are talking nectar, oceans of talking nectar. Nectar, not the nectar that we understand, nectar of spiritual bliss. You are that. And when you are that, then what is expected of you about yourself? Just find out. You just find out yourself, reflect back. What is expected of me, of myself? What am I doing about it? I am worried about this nonsense, that nonsense. And I am supposed to be the ocean of blissful nectar. I am supposed to be the forest of the kalpatarus, the trees that give the boon to the people, huge big trees. And then what am I doing? My giving capacity is so low. What do I give others? I don't even have attention that can absorb the energy of the divine. The attention should be such that I should be able to absorb the attention of the divine. Instead of that, my attention is on wrong things. And what am I doing? What do I do about myself is that I am not trying to manifest that special quality, the highest quality, the one that I am born after ages. I've been born so many times. I've been a saint, I've been going around seeking God, I've been going around. And again when I'm born in this lifetime, for such a tremendous task, again I'm lost with the same nonsense. I'm still moving about with the same nonsense. If you understand that, then you will know that what importance it has today on this day of our international seminar. Internationally, you are all related to each other and to nobody. Internationally. You are all relations to each other. These are the relations which are relations of deep friendship. Friendship has no bias, has no lust, no greed, nothing. It's just friendship. It's pure relationship. And we are that. We quote some of the class. What is the matter with you, madam? Will you please go and sit that side? This is not to be done. इकडे कोण बसलाय? करत. Please sit down. Hello, get up. This is not to be done when I am speaking. What are you doing? कोण आहे ते? नाही कसं झालं? त्यांना समजत आहे तुम्ही कशात? माताजी बोलतायत तर बघून राहिल्यात का बोलताय? लक्ष कुठे आहे? 100ला सांगितलं मी. पण तेवढ्यात येऊन त्या इस्त्री करतील नाही तर माझी शॉल करतील नाही तर काहीतरी करतील. मग त्यात तसंच करतात. मी बोलते काय ते बघते की बोलते? I just don't understand. Am I talking just it has any meaning or not in your hearts, or I'm just talking without any meaning? Sometimes I don't understand if I'm talking to real Sahaja-yogis or I'm talking to some walls here that who are not bothered about what I'm talking. Bring down your attention to what I'm saying. It's important. Otherwise, how are you going to learn this? Where is your attention? So it's all right to say that it's all love, it's all affection, it's all goodness, it's all very sweet thing, you see. But you must know that you have to come up. These trees have come up after a great struggle against the whole atmosphere, against the whole surroundings. They have come up on their own, except for the Mother Earth, to which they are connected. So you people must know that you all are here to come up, to fight yourself, to find out what's wrong with you. Where is your attention, first of all? The attention has to move in such a manner that outward you grow and inward you hold fast to your mother. With complete respect. Those who cannot do it are absolutely useless. If any tree doesn't try to hold fast the Mother Earth, it will follow. I mean, it's just what it is doing and for which it is rewarded. It's nothing to do with the Mother Earth. The Mother Earth has this speciality. Tumi kon basa khali. This Mother Earth has this speciality. And if this Mother Earth is not going to be linked by you, by your purposeful adherence, continuous identification, you are going to follow like a dead tree. So it's very important to understand that you are great, no doubt. These trees are great. They have fought through, they have come up. Where is your attention? And what are you here for? What is needed? To sticking to things which are against your growth. Bothered about things which go against you all the time. The first and foremost thing that goes against us is our own nonsensical ego. We must understand this ego is the one is the greatest barrier within us. And we have to get out of it. The Kundalini has to rise like the tree has risen up. And the ego is the biggest hurdle for most of us. It appears in many ways. We fight the Mother Earth which is giving you the source. You are the very being of that Mother. She has created you. She has made you. Because of her you have come up. You are fighting her, arguing her, going against her. This is your ego. How will you grow? And once you start growing, the sun can help you. The sky can help you. everything can help you, the nature can help you, but you must have complete desire to rise above your dwarfness, above your selfishness, above your conditionings, and especially your ego. All this, when we say that you are this, there's no need to be puffed up. You see, if I tell a little tree that you are going to be a big tree, doesn't mean that it has become a big tree. One has to become the big tree by pushing forward. And that quality, like Ganeshwara, like Tukarama, like Ramdas, you all have to become that quality. They never saw me, I just nourished them without they seeing me. But they nourished themselves on their own virtues, on their own qualities, on their own greatness. You have to be great like that. Instead of that, if you live with false notions about yourself, artificial things, absurd ideas, all nonsense that we have gathered through our upbringing, through our nationality, through our reading, through other gurus, and through our own mental projections, are going to be extremely dangerous for the growth of every individual Sahaja-yogi, and as a whole also it will affect. So we have to take a vow today that we are going to behave in a manner which behoves our advent, not further. Our advent at this time, which is being described and prophesied. Prophecy was made long time. If we understand that we have come on this earth for that purpose, we really separate ourselves from all the rest of the nonsense that goes on and try to rise towards the sky as these trees have done. You should not follow any other Sahaja-yogi in all anti-growth activities. And anyone who tries to create a kind of a group or tries to impress you by saying that he can teach you something higher, lower, all kinds of techniques and this and that, you have to forget. First of all, you must know that Sahaja Yoga is a growth within, and that growth expresses itself outside. So that within growth is to be done by you fully, with full understanding. Then I don't have to tell you about anyone. You won't be vulnerable to nonsensical talk and jabbering. You have some people who are intellectuals. Intellectuals have a bad habit of intellectualizing everything. Intelligence is nothing for God, because God has created it. So you have to see through that. There are some people who are very emotional and try to express themselves emotionally. You have to get out of those ideas, and you have to understand that emotions can play a very dangerous role in life. Now, we have decided to have so many marriages in Gauti, which is a very nice thing and auspicious thing. I'm very happy about it, that we are going to have so many marriages. It is auspicious, because marriages are supported, blessed by God. Yours is special, because I am sitting here before you for these marriages. But don't make a fuss out of a marriage. Don't create a problem by becoming superficial about marriage. These are the marriages of Brahma Ekat, where one feels the oneness of the Spirit, of the all-pervading power. Try to know that these marriages are done among saints and not among ordinary people. Try to respect the inner quality of a person. If somebody is a Sahajogi of a high quality, that must be respected and that must be loved, and not the outer qualities. The outward qualities are nonsensical. You must respect each other when you marry, because you are all saints. You are saints of very high quality, I have told you. And the potential is so great, which is already described to you, that only your assumption can fetch you that way. अब मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा सा आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि सहयोग में हम लोग अब ये नहीं जानते कि हमारे बारे में हजारों वर्ष ये बताया गया था कि ऐसे महान लोग संसार में आए और पहाड़ के पहाड़ ऐसे बड़े बड़े वृक्षों के बड़े बड़े अरण्य संसार में घूमेंगे, जो बोलते हुए चलते हुए दुनिया को उनकी इच्छाओं की पूर्ति के कल्पतंत्र जैसे उनको आशीर्वाद देंगे और उनके एक एक व्यक्ति में जैसे सागर उमड़ते हो जिसमें कि अमृत बोलता हो, ऐसे सागर, ऐसे सूरज होंगे, चमकते हुए सूरज कि जिसके अंदर कोई भी दाह नहीं, अग्नि नहीं, ऐसे चंद्रमा जिसके ऊपर कोई कलंक नहीं। यह आपके वर्णन हजारों वर्ष पहले लोगों ने किए और 300 वर्ष पहले ज्ञानेश्वर जी, कि कितना आपका महत्व उन्होंने बताया, कितना महत्व कि कितना जरूरी है सारे दुनिया के लिए एक आशा दी। The whole world is hoping to happen these things, that they should get such people on this earth, those which are described. इस तरह से हो रहा और हो गया, लेकिन अभी इसकी प्रगति मेरे विचार से बहुत बहुत धीमी, इसकी प्रगति बहुत धीमी। प्रगति आपकी वजह से धीमी हो जाती है। ऐसी जगह चित्त अपना जाता है जहां हम अपने को गिरा लेते हैं। अपना चित्त इस पेड़ का जैसा पृथ्वी से पूरी तरह से निगडित है, ऐसा आपको अपनी माँ के साथ निगडित रखना चाहिए और उसकी जो ऊंचाई उसके और दृष्टि रखनी। ये ऊंचाई जो भी इन्होंने हासिल की है वो इस वातावरण से लड़कर झगड़कर बाहर आकर अपना सर ऊंचा उठाकर, और जो लोग अपना सर दुनियावी चीजों के लिए, कृत्रिम चीजों के लिए, बाह्य चीजों के लिए झुका लेते हैं, वो कैसे उठ सकते? या जो अपना चित्त इस धरती मां से हटा लेते हैं, वो तो मर ही जाएंगे। इसलिए हर सहयोगियों का ये कर्तव्य है, ये पूरी तरह से कर्तव्य है कि वो जाने कि सारी दुनिया आपकी तरफ आंख लगाए बैठी हुई है और आप अपने गौरव को पहचानें। The whole world is watching your progress. The whole world is expecting this to happen. The whole world has already pronounced it. And where are we? Where are we? Our progress is so slow. We are worried about stupid things, material things, worldly things, superficial things, artificial things. So one has to understand that you are here today for this international seminar to promise me आप लोग यहाँ पर आज मुझे वचन देने आए हैं इस इंटरनेशनल सेमिनार कि माँ तुम जितनी मेहनत करते हो उसी तरह से हम भी मेहनत करें. Everybody seems to be younger than me in this group, but you have to promise that mother will work with the same zeal, with the same attention as you are, and try to settle ourselves, quieten ourselves with it. We talk too much, do nothing. Try to reserve your energy in that silent dignity. उस शांतमय गौरव में आप अपने को ऊंचा उठाएं. अपने बारे में पूरी आपको कल्पना होनी चाहिए कि आप हैं क्या. You must have full idea as to what you are. You must understand what have you been up to, what have you done about it. Talking, that's not the way it is going to work. The atmosphere is nice, everything is fine. The future seems very jubilant, everything is fine. But the highest above everything is the hope of your mother that you are going to emancipate the whole world. Give attention to that. Think about it, that you are going to. You have to be the walking, talking, moving forest of that divine love. That's Tambara Pragya. I hope you understand. Today is a very important day. I feel that if this body session works out well, maybe we might achieve a lot next year. म्हणून सर्वांना हात जोडून विनंती आहे की कृपा करून सगळ्यांनी स्वतःचं महत्त्व ओळखावं. आणखी लहान सहान गोष्टीमध्ये भांडणामध्ये वेळ न घालवताना ध्यान धारणा करावी. Now, so we look forward to a puja today and try to absorb. My chakras work very hard, and actually I find it sometimes impossible to accept a puja. Today is a puja of a great day and a great time. At this time, a big reservoir has to be opened up, but it is to be channelized through people. And how can I channelize to people who are filled with vanity, with stupidity, or with small-mindedness? You have to be large, huge, big-hearted, great people. You are all born again, who were great today again, but somehow you are still mixed up with your surroundings. So try to understand your own importance and the importance of the time. It is to worship yourself, to worship, but to be worshipable. You all think that only by dressing up properly or by putting up any show like that we become worshipable. We do not. We should be worshipable to ourselves, to see that whatever we are doing, it has that grace and beauty, the love and the greatness of the saints who are very great saints, not ordinary but tremendous saints. It is being described. Actually, Jnaneshwara in this poem has really worshipped you. I wish we had people like Jnaneshwara, but they are all inside my body. You are all outside. And whatever he said has to be fulfilled. Not only that, but whatever is said is the truth. आपसे सबसे ये विनती है कि कृपया आपकी ओर नजर, आप सब सिंहासन पर बैठे, उस सिंहासन को पाइए, उसके जैसे दुनिया के मुकाबले में आप लोग बहुत बड़े, लहान लहान गोष्टीमध्ये अडकून राहणारे लोक सहयोगाला प्राप्त होऊ शकत नाही. लहान लहान मुलांना सुद्धा मी पाहिले की ते सहयोगाला फार प्राप्त झाले आणि पुष्कळशे म्हातारे वर्षानुवर्ष सहयोग करून सुद्धा जिथल्या तिथे रडत राहू किंवा त्यांचे स्वभाव बदललेले आहे, त्यांच्या सवयी बदललेल्या आहेत, बुद्धीचा सहयोग असलेला, नुसता बुद्धीतला सहयोग काढून टाका, त्याला काही अर्थ नाही. जसं काही एखादं प्लास्टिकचं झाड असावं असा तो मनुष्य, ज्याच्या बुद्धीत नुसता सहयोग असेल तो नुसता त्या प्लास्टिकच्या झाडासारखा असतो, ते कल्पतरूंचे आरंभ होऊ शकत नाही. तुम्ही जर एखाद्या प्लास्टिकच्या झाडापासून फळांची अपेक्षा करा तर कारण तुम्ही स्वतःची फसवणूक करून राहिले, स्वतःला त्या नष्ट करू. तेव्हा कृपा करून तुम्ही जे आहात तेव्हा जे तुमचा एक मोठं ते नेवा, त्या मोठेपणात तुम्ही आपल्या गौरवात साऱ्या संसाराला मोठं करू शकता, हे जाणून आजची पूजा अत्यंत गंभीरपणे, पूजेला अर्थच लागत नाही जोपर्यंत माणसामध्ये पूजेचा अधिकार नसतो. पूजेचा अधिकार हा मनुष्याच्या गहनतेत गहनता पाहिजे. ती गहनता असल्याशिवाय या पूजेला काहीही अर्थ लागणार नाही. For all these pujas you must have that depth, that greatness of those great saints who came on this earth, worked for you, created this atmosphere. Think of them, what they have done. They have fought all the time. They were tortured. They had none of these facilities as you have. They have none of this enjoyment, nothing of the kind. While you've got it all, everything on the plate. So be deserving people, authorized people, and work it out in that way. Otherwise this world we cannot change. This puja has a very special significance according to it, and has to be done by people who know that they are these great personalities. It has nothing to do with your so-called artificial positions in life or anything that is outside. It's the inside. In this seminar, one should not talk too much about outside things, but just talk out about what? About your mother or about surgery. Best thing is to talk about your mother, so it neutralizes both the ends. And it works out. It works out. It's a simple thing one has to understand. That God has been so kind to you. So kind. You don't have to fight for your saintliness. Nothing. You are all brothers and sisters. You are all here. So much close together. You are not alone. You are so great that you can know what you are. Who told them? Who looked after? Who had them? Today you are just like VIPs. So please try to understand that you have to have a very humble attitude towards all these saints and towards Sahaja. Try to absorb as much as possible. Be kind to yourself. स्वतःकडे लक्ष असावे, स्वतःकडे बघावं. आणि विशेष करून महाराष्ट्राच्या मंडळींवर फार त्याची जबाबदारी. कारण महाराष्ट्र म्हणजे संत साधूची भूमी, सगळ्यांनी पूजलेली, मान्य केलेली योगभूमी आहे. त्या ठिकाणी अर्धवट लोकांनी सहयोगाला येऊ. जर कुणी असे असले तर त्यांना काढून टाकले. ज्यांना सहयोगाबद्दल आस्था नाहीये, अशा लोकांनी सगळ्या योगात येऊ नये आणि ज्यांना आहे त्यांच्या वागण्यात, त्यांच्या बोलण्यात, त्यांच्या व्यवहारात ते एक मोठंपण, ते राजेशाहीपणा दिसायला पाहिजे. तसा जर नसला तर मात्र तुम्ही स्वतःच्या वागणुकीने, वर्तनाने या सर्वांवर फार वाईट परिणाम करणार. म्हणून आज जी मंडळी इथे आलेली आहेत, विशेष करून महाराष्ट्रीयन मंडळी, त्याला माझं विशेष करून मागणं आहे की आपलं वर्तन, आपला स्वभाव, आपलं बोलणं फार शालीनतेचं असायला पाहिजे, गौरवाचं असायला पाहिजे. हे जर झालं तरच तुम्ही आपल्या या मोठमोठ्या संत साधूंची पूर्णपणे सेवा केली असं होईल. सर्वांवर परमेश्वराचा आशीर्वाद असा. May God bless you all. Now today, this problem is always there. Who is going to do the worship and washing of the feet? I would say for today, there should be no such choice. Who is going to do it? It can be just washed without anybody touching that water will be the best time. नुसतं एकदा तुम्ही म्हणता म्हणा आणि माझ्या पायात पाणी घालून काम करा. मग ते दुसरं आहे त्याला. खालीचा पायथा पाणी घालायचं. आता बंद करायचं. राहिलं अथर्व शीर्ष म्हणा. कोण येणार? मोदी तुम्ही ऐक. योगा तिघांनी म्हणायचं अथर्व शीर्ष. Now this one, the अथर्व शीर्ष must be remembered by all of you by heart. It's very simple. You have to do something about surgery. If you try, you all can remember it. Try to remember it. It's very simple. It will be good that everybody can say it is Atharva Shirsha. Indians have learned Lord's Prayer. So many things they have done. In the same way, we can all learn this simple thing called Atharva Shirsha. For Shri Ganesh is important.
Om Tadeva Sakshat.
जोडी नाही बोलत. मला लोकांचं काय आहे की योगामध्ये ती तुमची स्पीड आहे ती रोलिंग अशी म्हणजे लटकत लटकत राहते. थोडं त्याला स्पीड पाहिजे आणि त्याला रिदम नाही. जरा फास्ट बोलत होते ओढत ओढत बोलले तर त्याला काय अर्थ ओढत ओढत कशाला बोलतो. असं काही तुम्ही ओढल्यासारखं सरळ म्हणायचं मंत्र जसे म्हणायचं. हा म्हणा.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका पुण्यगिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं अमृतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवदातारम् अवानुचारोशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवादरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वम् आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं
from your heart. Must go into your heart. What you are saying, huh?
सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्सृष्टि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि निर्विशति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नरो दिवो नमः त्वं चत्वारि भागपदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीता त्वं देहत्रयातीता त्वं कालत्रयातीता त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णु त्वं रुद्र त्वं इन्द्र त्वं अग्नि त्वं वायु त्वं सूर्य त्वं चन्द्रमा त्वं ब्रह्मोर्वस्वरो गणादीं पूर्णमुच्चार्य वर्णादीं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारापरा अभेयवदितं तारेण वृद्धं वेदत्वमनुस्वरूपं गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वार चान्द्ररूपं विविधरूपं नारसन्धानं सहितान्वी सैषा गणेशविद्या गणगणपतिः नित्युद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात् श्रीकरन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशं कुशारणं कदं च वरदं विभ्राणमूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पणकं रक्तवासनं रक्तगन्धामृताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः पूजितं भक्ताङ्कम्पितं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषार्थम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां परः नमो भगवते नमो गणपते नमः प्रभवते नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय जयचन्द्राय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमः साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति श्रीमाताजी श्री नमो नमः.
Now, the thing is, this water is to be taken by all those Svajogis who are going abroad with that. This is very vibrated, a very pure thing. It should be used. All of you should arrange to have some bottles filled, and all those Svajogis who are going abroad should take this water with them. Now somebody who can say it in English can come and say this in English, please. Right? Brian. Salah. Apa yang kita lakukan? Atau masih juga?
Let our ears hear that which is true. Let our eyes see that which is pure. Let our beings praise that which is divine. And let those who listen hear not my voice, but the wisdom of God. Let us worship with the auspicious song, the appropriate strength, and the propitious knowledge. And let our meditation enlighten and enrich. Let there be amongst us compassion and peace. Now the prayer. Salutation Sri Ganesh, Sakshat Sri Jesus, Sakshat Sri Nirmala Devi, Namo Namaha. It is you who is the beginning of all the beginnings. It is you who is the doer of all deeds which have been done, are being done, and will be done. It is you who supports all things that are supported. It is you who protects all things that are protected. It is you who is the complete, all-pervading Spirit, God's divine energy. Think clearly, brain. Speak only the truth. Let your presence, awakened in us by Kundalini, speak. Let your presence, awakened in us by Kundalini, listen. Let your presence, awakened in us by Kundalini, bless. Let your presence, awakened in us by Kundalini, protect. Let your presence, awakened by Kundalini in us, your disciples, be the disciple. You are the essence of all the sacred literature and holy words, and you are the energy that understands the holy words. You are the divine combination of complete truth, complete joy, and complete energy, and you are beyond. You are all knowledge, and you are the use to which the knowledge is put. You exist until the end of all things, and after the end of all things, you are. You create the end of all things, and after the end of all things, you remain indifferent. You are the earth, you are the water, you are the fire, you are the air, and you are the space above the air. You are the gunas, and you are beyond the gunas.
Just a minute. This is said about me. Now people who come from Christian ideas, identify it with Christ. Christ is me now, sitting before you. It is all said about me. Try to identify it with me. I can feel the attention. It's me here sitting down. It's all said about me.
You are the earth, you are the water, you are the fire, you are the air, and you are the space above the air. You are the gunas, and you are beyond the gunas. You are the body, and you are beyond the body. You are the essence of time, and you are beyond time. You, and only you, exist at the Muladhara chakra. You are the spirit, and you are beyond the spirit. And those who have joined God meditate upon you. You are Brahman, Vishnu, Rudra. You are Indra, Agni, Vayu. You are the sun at noon. You are the full moon. Through all of these and more, you are the all-pervading energy of innocence and wisdom. You are the divine servant who stoops to wash the feet of saints. You are the tiny core of all things, without which the larger have no purpose. You are the key to the libraries of all the scriptures, without which the truth is hidden. You are the full stop which completes the sentence, and without which the sentence loses its meaning. You are the crescent moon, you are the stars, and you are beyond the stars. Everything from tiny dot to universe is you. You are the future and beyond the future. You are in all forms. You are where the suns combine. You are the silence between the suns. You are the rhythm of all music and all prayers. This is the knowledge of Nirmal Ganesh, and you, Nirmal Ganesh, are the master of that knowledge and all knowledge. You are the God, and you are the goddess. Om Gam Nirmal Ganapate. To your powers, Ganesha, let all surrender. Let the left side of memory and the right side of action surrender to you, and let your enlightenment prevail. Your first tooth you have, and 4 hands, one holding a rope, the second a goad, the third is raised in blessing, and the fourth offers sustenance. Your banner is that of a humble mouse. You have long ears and are clothed in red. Red decorates you, and you are worshipped with red flowers. You have compassion for those who love you, and it is for those who love you that you come to this earth. You are the force that creates, the energy that pervades, and the spirit that protects. Those who seek union with God pray through you. Those who seek union with God worship you. Lord Jesus, to your powers, Jesus, let all surrender. Let the left side of memory and the right side of action surrender to you, and let your enlightenment prevail. You are the Word that was the beginning. You are the Word that will be the ending. You are He who was born of a virgin and died on the cross. You are He who absorbs all sins and who died to live again. You are God in man, and you are worshipped with red flowers. You have compassion for those who love you, and it is for those who love you that you come to this earth. You are the force that creates, the energy that pervades, and the spirit that protects. Those who seek union with God pray through you. Those who seek union with God worship you. Sri Ganesha, salutation to you. Sri Jesus, salutation to you. He who is the beginning of all worship, salutation to you. He who destroys all the powers of evil, salutation to you. Sakshat, son of Lord Shiva, who is unending blessings, salutation to you. Sakshat, son of Mary Mataji, who is unending love, salutation to you. Sakshat Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who is unending joy, salutation to you.
Now, we have to have a 1000 names today after the done on the 7 kundas. So we have to meet afterwards, after the dinner. But before that, we'll do the puja of your mother today, and then after that, we'll take our food. But it is a food intermediary to the another thing that we are going to do, so keep that date. Keep that feel that you have come here in a very big position. And so keep that understanding within yourself. I have to say one thing, that when we are identified, say, Hindus are identified with some books, in the same way Christians are identified with some books. But because Christianity has been, like Islam and all that, an organized religion, the identification is much more in the brain. It's very difficult to get out. And you do not know that the Bible itself has so many discrepancies. Every chapter, if you read Christ, you will think there are 3 Christ born on this earth, because it doesn't tally with one Christ to another. If you carefully read about Christ, you'll be surprised that the way they have described Christ in one must have been born before John the Baptist. Another one was born after John the Baptist. Like that it goes on. So there is a kind of an attack even on the scriptures. We must understand as Sahajogis, because we are standing with the light in our hand, we should try to understand that all these books have an attack of all the negativity. Like in our Indian temples, you will always find negative people going there and doing all the tantric vidya and all these base things. Even in the churches, you know, we have got now people who call themselves charismatic. So this is going on, and they are going to their own doom by taking to this kind of a wrong attitude. So it is to be understood that you should not be so much conditioned by those things. Keep yourself above to see what is the truth of every religion, that they belong to the same principle, and we should not adhere to something because we were born in that or we are conditioned into it. That's not a sign of a yogi. A yogi has no religion outside, he has no nationality. He is lifted of all these things. So try to understand that you are a yogi and you need not adhere to these psychological conditionings that are being created in your mind. If you understand that, then you will rise much higher. Because of the organized religions, it is even more difficult to get out. And that's what we don't understand. We want to bring everything to that which is God and which is being perverted, which is being spoiled, and which is being misrepresented. So try to have your own understanding of the whole thing, of the past. Part development, वो जाते हैं, ऐसा पाया अपने वाले से, So now देवीचा क्या म्हणायचं? देवीचे मंत्र म्हणा, विचारले तीन माझे पास. Now what we can do is to some foreign Sahajogi can come. तुम्ही केला one person, any one person. No, you be settled. Warren, will you come? No. Well, you have to do all these things without touching it. Be careful. Mama. You are becoming a Vaishnava now. All the Vaishnavas have to wear a thing like that. Going from here up to there. With the Vaishnava. We are all Vaishnavas because we believe in the ascent first to the Bhagavad, not finishing the ascent till moving upward. वाह काय मस्त लागलं मला असं जरा
हरि ओम हिरण्यवर्णां हरिं सुवर्णरजस्रं चन्द्रं हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनोहारिणीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं कामक्ष्मं पुरुषादहम् अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यां हस्तिनादप्रबोधिनीं श्रियं देवी उपमये श्रीमादेवी श्रुतां कान्तोस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारां मार्गां दुरन्तीं सुप्तां सर्वयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां प्रवर्णां तामिहोपमये श्रियं चन्द्रां प्रभासा विलसाद्रवन्तीं श्रियं लोके देवदुष्टावतारां तां पद्मिनीं शरणं वहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मेषतां त्वां वृणे आदित्यवर्णे तपतो जातो वनस्पतिस्थो वृक्षो सबिल्वा तस्य फलानि तपसा नमन्तु मायान्तरायाशमाया लक्ष्मी उपैतु मां देवतः कीर्तिश्च वनिनाथ प्रादुर्भूतो सुराष्ट्रेऽस्मिन् कीर्तिं वृद्धिं ददातु मे क्षुत्पिपासां फलां ज्येष्ठां लक्ष्मीं यास्याम्यहम् अभूमिं समृद्धिं च सर्वान् निर्वृतं मे गृहात् गन्धद्वारां दुरादर्शां नित्यपुष्टां परीक्षणीम् ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां स्वामिहोपवेश्यम् मनसः कामापूर्तिं वाचः सत्यमशीमयि पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रयतां यशः कर्दमेन प्रजाभूता मयि सन्भवकर्दम श्रियं वासय मे कुले मातरं पद्ममालिनीम् आपस्रजन्तु स्निग्धानि विक्रीतवसमे गृहे नित्यदेवी मातरं श्रियं वासय मे कुले आर्द्रां कर्णीं यष्टिं सुवर्णां हेममालिनीं सूर्यां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मावः आर्द्रां पुष्करणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चतुरां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मावः तामावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमदपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं प्रभूतं गावो दास्योष्टां विन्देयं पुरुषाणां यशुचिप्रयतो भूत्वा जुयादाचमनुहं सूक्तं पञ्चदर्शं च श्रीकामसततं जपेत् पद्मानने पद्मगुरु पद्माक्षी पद्मसंभवे तन्मे भजति पद्माक्षी येन सौख्यं लभाम्यहम् अश्वदायै गोदायै धनदायै महादने धनं मे लभतां देवी सर्वकामाश्रयेहि मे पद्मानने पद्मविपद्मपत्रे पद्मप्रिये पद्मदलायताक्षि विश्वप्रिये विश्वनोनुकूले त्वत्पादपद्मं मयनिरस्वौ पुत्रपौत्रं धनधान्यं हस्तश्वादिकवे रथम् प्रजानां भवती माता आयुष्मन्तं करोतु मे धनम् वायुधनं सूर्योधनं वसु धनमिन्द्रो बृहस्पतिर्वर्णं धनमस्तु मे वैनते सोमं पिब पिबतु पुत्रः सोमं धनस्य सोमिनो मह्यं दधातु सोमिनः न क्रोधो न च मात्सर्यं न लोभो नाशुभामति भवन्ति पुण्यपुण्यानां भक्तानां श्रीयुक्तं जपेत् तस्य निलये सरोजनस्ते नवरतरां शुभगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे निर्गुणभूतिकरीमह्यं विष्णुपत्नीं क्षमां देवीं माधवीं माधवप्रियां लक्ष्मीं प्रियसखीं देवीं नमाम्यच्युतवल्लभां महालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् श्रीवर्चस्वमायुष्यमारोग्यमाविधात् शोभमानं महीयते धनधान्यं पशुं बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिपुराम्बिका कुण्डली साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः नमः प्रकृतिभद्रायै नियता प्रणतात्मनां रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः ज्योत्स्नायै चेन्दुरूपिण्यै सुखायै सततं नमः कल्याण्यै प्रणतां वृद्ध्यै सिद्ध्यै कूर्म्यै नमो नमः नैऋत्यभूभृतां लक्ष्म्यै सर्वाण्यै ते नमो नमः दुर्गायै दुर्गपारायै सारायै सर्वकारिण्यै शात्यै तथैव कृष्णायै धूम्रायै सततं नमः अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै दतस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै देव्यै कृत्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चैतन्यविधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्तिदेव्यै नमो नमः चित्तिरूपेण या कृष्णद्वैतदभ्यासया जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः स्तुतासुरैः पूर्वैश्चसंश्रया तथा सुरेन्द्रेण दिनेषु सेविता करोति सा नः शुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राणि विहन्वचावला साम्प्रतश्चोद्धृतसाक्षिते तस्माद्विनीशाचतुरै नमस्ते या च स्मृता तत्क्षणमेव हन्ति नः सर्वापदो भक्तिविनम्रमूर्तिभिः देवी प्रपन्नाति हरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर्जगतोऽखिलस्य प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम् स्वामीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका महित्वरूपेण यथा स्थितासि अपां स्वरूपस्थितस्यात्रेष्ठ दास्यायते कृष्णमरङ्गवीर्ये त्वं वैष्णवी शक्तिनरन्तवीर्या विश्वस्य बीजं परमासि माया सम्मोहितं देवि समस्तमेतत् त्वं वै प्रसन्ना भुवि मुक्तिहेतु विद्या समस्ता तव देवि भेदा श्रियस्तमस्ता जगलाजगत्सु वैकया पूर्णमं वैकै काते सुरेश्वरपरा प्रवोक्ति सर्वभूताय या देवी सर्वमुक्तिप्रदायिनी त्वं सुतास्तये कावा भवन्तु सर्वमोक्षया सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जगस्य हृदि संस्थिते सर्वापवर्गते देवी निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते कालाष्टादिरूपेण परिणामप्रदायिनी विश्वस्योपरतो शक्ते निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातने गुणाश्रये गुणमये निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते शरणागतदीनार्थपरित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यापि हरे देवी निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते हंसयुक्तविमानस्ते ब्रह्माणि रूपधारिणि कौशाम्बश्चरिते देवी निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते त्रिशूलचन्द्राहरे महावृषभवाहिनी माहेश्वरी स्वरूपेण निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते मयूरकुक्कुटमुकुटे महाशक्तिधरे नगे कौमारी रूपसंस्थाने निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते शङ्खचक्रगदाशारगृहीतपरमायुधे प्रसीद वैष्णवी रूपे निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते गृहीतो ग्रहमाचक्रे दृष्टो मृतवसुन्दरे वराहरूपिणी शिवे निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते रूपेण हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे त्रैलोक्यत्राणसहिते निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते शिवदूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले घोररूपे महारावे निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते दंष्टाकरालवदने शिरोमाला विभूषणे चामुण्डे मुण्डमथने निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते लक्ष्मीलक्ष्म्ये महाविद्ये श्रद्धे पुष्टिस्वरे ध्रुवे महारात्रि महामाये निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते मेघे सरस्वतीरे भूतिर्ब्राह्मविकामसि नियते त्वं प्रसीदेशे निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते नेत्रस्त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यं लोकत्रयभूषणं पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते ज्वालाकालमशेषासुरसूदनं विशूलपातु नो निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते विनस्ति दैत्यतेजांसि स्वरेणा पूरया जगत् सा घण्टा पातु नो देवी असुरापापं चर्चिते करोज्ज्वला शुभायं चण्डिके त्वां रोगानुशेषानपहंसि तुष्टा दुष्टा तु कामान् सकलामभीष्टान् कामान् सतानां नृपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रितायाश्रयतां प्रयाति एतत्कृतं यत् कथनं त्वराद्य धर्मद्विषां देवि महासुराणां रूपैनैकैकौदारमूर्ति कृत्वाम्बिके त्वत्करोति कान्या विद्यासु शास्त्रेषु विलेखदीपे स्वाब्देषु वाक्येषु नरां त्वदन्या मम त्वं रसेति ज्ञानान्धकारे विघ्नामयत्येव दरीव विश्वम् रक्षांसि यत्रोग्रविशाचनागा यत्रावयोमस्य बलानि यत्र दावानलो यत्र यथाब्धिमध्ये तत्र स्थिता त्वं परिपासि विश्वम् विश्वेश्वरि त्वं परिपासि विश्वम् विश्वात्मिका धारयसि विश्वम् विश्वेशवज्ञा भवती भवन्ति विश्वाश्रयाये परिमतिमः देवी प्रसीद परिपालय नोऽभिरीते नित्यं यथा सर्वदानुदैव सद्यः पापानि सर्वजगतां प्रथमं यासु उत्पादपाकजनिताश्चर्योत्तरान् प्रणतानां प्रसीदत्वं देवी विश्वातिहारि त्रैलोक्यवासिनी विद्ये लोकानां वरदा भव। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिमात्मिका कुंडली साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Now all the girls who are going to get married, please come forward. ज्या ज्या मुलींची लग्न होणार आहे त्यांनी पुढून बसायचं. You have to cover your heads.